everyone, this is Keely with Toyota of Keene, and this is the 2019 Toyota Rav4 Limited. The 2019 Toyota Rav4 Limited gets some athletic performance specs, like a 203 horsepower, 2.5-liter dynamic force 4-cylinder engine. You get dynamic torque vectoring all-wheel drive with rear driveline disconnect. You get multi-terrain select with mud and sand, rock and dirt, snow, and normal modes. And you get up to 33 miles per gallon. Here on the exterior, we have multi-LED headlights with chrome bezels and integrated fog lights. We have 19-inch multi-spoke super chrome finished alloy wheels. We have a power tilt slide moonroof with one-touch open close. We have dual chrome-tipped exhausts. We have low-profile black painted roof rails, and you get up to over 69 cubic feet of cargo space. Here on the interior, we are wrapped in some gorgeous leather. We have an 8-inch touchscreen with Entune 3.0 audio premium with dynamic navigation, advanced voice recognition, and hands-free phone capability. You get Bluetooth wireless technology. We have Siri Eyes-free, Apple CarPlay, Amazon Alexa, and Scout GPS Link compatibility. And you get the integrated panoramic backup camera with customizable dynamic grid lines. The 2019 Toyota Rav4 Limited gives you Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, which comes with some great safety tech, like pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar adaptive cruise control, automatic high beams, and so much more. So, if you're thinking about the 2019 Toyota Rav4, the fully loaded Limited might have everything you need, so come on down to Toyota of Keene, 591 Monadnock Highway in Swansea, New Hampshire, or visit us online at toyotakeene.com. We cannot wait to work with you. Happy car shopping!